Jets are flying, missile is launching, tensions are skyrocketing.
Israel versus Iran. A new war ignites. Israel killed many military generals.
Iran first back launching missiles and drones at Tel Aviv and Jerusalem. Civilians in Israel flee to shelters as sirens wail. Global powers watch as Iran close in on nuclear achievement, risking a wider Middle East conflict. Can America attack with B-2 bombers, the ultimate king of skies? Both sides escalate. Can diplomacy end this? Watch how Mossad's secret ops shocked Iran, hinting key nuclear scientist. Like and subscribe for more.